Woo-hoo-hoo! I am back for another early shoe review, but this time we're gonna be reviewing the Nike Dunk Low Coast, also known as the UCLA. Let's go! Good YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. If you didn't know by now, my name is Josh, also known as OOSKicks, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and smash that like button because you know it helps out your boy in the YouTube algorithm. Alright, let's get straight down to business. When you know a Nike Dunk is releasing, we're gonna be seeing the iconic red Nike box. Everyone knows what this is when you come in, you just kind of need to know what's inside. So, very important, like I said in my last video, we do not know exactly the date that these dunks are releasing. It's been pushed back a couple times. Originally supposed to be the middle of January, but now it's either beginning of February or now even the middle of February according to OOSKicks. So just make sure that when you are doing your research in terms of when you should be preparing to cop these, you know exactly when these are releasing. Another big point that we have to make sure we understand, this specific pair, the UCLA Dunk, is going to be in women's sizing. So this usually is the men's size on top, but now the women's size on the bottom. So right now this is a size 11, W, and also is a 9.5 in men. So make sure you guys remember that when buying from either StockX, from GOAT, any other reseller, ensure you know that this UCLA is gonna be in different sizing. And as we know, Nike Dunks are retail for $100 MSRP. We do know that this pair right here is international pair, so it does not have the tag here. But when you open up, you just know that this color is probably gonna be one of the favorites out of the 5 dunks that are slated to release. And damn, first glance, these colors hurt me because I did not go to UCLA. I went to USC, so really it just kind of hurts just as a, like from a personal standpoint, but man, from being a shoe head, a dunk head, yo, these are ridiculously fire. I love what Nike did with the shoe. Specifically, we'll go a quick 360. You could see this yellow hit on the back, which I told you guys I am crazy for, and damn, what a job Nike did on these. Oh, yo, I'm telling you, I know a lot of the women, shoe heads, sneaker heads, have been complaining that we need more shoes for the girls, and I think this is what Nike did. So let's go straight into it, but just wanted to show you a quick 360 view. Let's go. All right, so we are gonna switch up how we're gonna view this shoe, but I just kind of wanted to give an in-depth review of how beautiful this colorway is. The official colorway for this is called the Sail Coast or the University Gold, and I just love the colorway, how it goes along all together. You have this white midsole, you got this coast blue sole on the bottom here, and it just goes right around the whole shoe. You have that white toe box. The leather quality is pretty good, just like a standard dunk. I have to tell you, this back tab is ridiculous. This gold really reminds me of, let's say, the lightning gold that's on one of the Pro Bs out there. Remember, like I said, for the UNLVs, these dunks do not come with replacement laces. I believe the blue is a perfect match to it. It's not the exact one, but really if you just look at it, it kind of just goes off all together, and you can just really tell the UCLA vibes that they did this. One report said that they were doing this in honor for the UCLA having a collaboration with Air Jordan that's coming out in spring 2021, but you could just tell Nike did a damn good job on this. You do have that yellow hit on the Nike tongue, the embroidery, amazing. And then when you look at the insole, this just screams UCLA Bruins for you. You have a full yellow insole and the blue Nike and the swoosh. I really like this pair. I love what Nike is doing, really bringing back the be true to your school vibes and being able to just have people that love UCLA, love UNLV, you know, love black and white, really just join on with the Nike Dunk hype and continue with that. One thing I do have to note, and I do want to compare it to just kind of the different blues that Nike has had their success with. Like I said before, we compared the UNLV with the University Red, but now I do want to compare this blue along with the Kentucky blue that they use for the Nike Dunk. And I think I'm just a sucker for blue because both of these are definitely a must-have for the collection. You know, you have this like really prominent prominent Kentucky blue here, and then you have that UCLA colorway. They're stacking up really, really well in terms of like being able to have this, diversifying the color schemes that you have, and you're gonna have those Supreme Low SBs that are coming out in this blue colorway as well. So definitely Nike has found their niche in terms of what colorways they want to hit on. I do definitely want to see like a couple of USC if they're gonna use that Trojan look. You know, other schools that have those distinctive colorways, but man, I do definitely love these UCLAs. Honestly, I can't choose which shoe I like better, just kind of probably depending on how the mood is, but I love both, so definitely wanted to show that out. Okay, so another thing that I want to talk about in terms of like this video is what I think in terms of resale projection. Definitely I do like the shoe, but right now prices on this 11 that I have are at $484 as of StockX right now. Definitely think that once these do release, the hype is going to be there, but there's also a lot of colorways that are coming out. Other sizes are going for about $335, $336. That's the lowest ask. The prices are going to simmer down around the 300 range, but here's my thing. These specific blue colorway, it really has me like very optimistic about the price going up on these. I really don't want them to go up. Yeah, I think just being UCLA, all the Bruins that are out there, they're gonna wanna have this shoe, and that's only gonna drive the demand. So I don't see the price changing when these release, because I think these are gonna be the hardest ones to get. Definitely keep a lookout in that if you're looking to resell. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I definitely wanted to show a couple B-rolls before we get out here, but yeah, I appreciate everybody again for the support. This journey has been crazy and we are still going. So if you guys like this comment, please comment down below. Tell me what you guys think, what I can improve on, if you guys want me to do mystery boxes, but we'll see what happens. So like I said, always remember y'all, stay in stock with Out of Stock Kicks. See you later. Peace.